Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to today's makeup tutorial. This eye look is going to be a rose gold look that's been popping up on social media all over YouTube. So I'm going to jump right in and get started with a clean face. I'm using my Wet n Wild mattifying primer to prime my skin. I'm going to set that with some translucent powder so that my oils don't peek through. Just pressing that into the skin really good. And I went ahead and put my two foundations on. I'm using the LA Colors in Cafe and the LA Girl Pro foundation. Sorry guys, that's in the shade Warm Caramel. Those two together just give me such a great coverage and match my skin. Next, brows. I'm using the LA Colors brows in the shade Deep. This pencil is everything. It has a triangular shaped tip, which really allows you to carve out your brows and fill them in at the same time. My brows are pretty thin, so I like to fill them in where I need it the most and then just lightly overdraw my brows. I'm just continuing to fill those in. And I just lightly go over my arch just a little bit to make the appearance of fuller brows. I know it seems like it's taking forever, but literally my brows take me about 5 minutes total. And I think that's just because I use a pencil and I'm not like overdrawing them dramatically. Just giving them a little bit more shape and definition. And I just want to show you the difference on how brows can really frame your face. Alright, so I know that my mirror is in the way, but I'm using my Black Radiance concealer stick in the shade Deep, and I'm just kind of contouring my nose just a little bit. I actually really like my nose, so I don't want to over contour. Then I'm bringing some contour onto my forehead, cheeks. I kind of skipped over that, but I'm just gonna buff it in with a Wet n Wild stippling brush. Just really patting that into my skin. I'm going over with my Real Technique beauty sponge. Don't forget that chin. That is an e.l.f. contouring brush, and I really like using it on my nose area because it's like the perfect shape to get in there. So next, I just kind of jumped on into highlighting, and I'm using my LA Girl Pro HD coverage in the shade Warm Honey. Taking a flat kind of shader brush and really underlining the bottom of my brows to really kind of clean up any areas where I may have made a mistake. And then I'm just dragging the concealer down over my eyes as an eyelid primer. Now I'm going to take my Real Technique buffing brush and I'm just going to buff the concealer into my skin. Just really want to blend that out, girls. This process can take forever. I know it seems like magic on the computer, but you really just want to buff it and blend it into your skin until it's kind of seamlessly fading in. So I like to do a brush and sponge technique, and then I'll go back over with my makeup applicator brush to blend everything in. And I went ahead and set my concealer areas with some translucent powder. Now I'm going over my contour to set it with some powder, and I'm using my Black Radiance. Both of them are Black Radiance. One is the True Complexion palette, and the other is a pressed powder in the shade Cafe. And I mix both of those together to get like a perfect shade. For my contour slash bronzer mix, I'm going to take the LA Color Mineral Powder with the e.l.f. Blush Brush. I think that's what it is. Alright, so face is done. I'm going to move on to my June I Spy bag. So the first item you see is a apple mask. Super excited to try that out. The second item is also a mask and it's blueberries. I can't wait to try those out, let you know how they work. So I Spy is a monthly subscription that you sign up for and you'll receive items every month for only $10. So you get this really cute yellow bag that I'm showing you guys. And inside the bag there is a Beauty Basics eyeshadow. Not really a color that I'm into, but I'm going to go ahead and swatch it so you guys can see. The pigmentation is amazing. So it's really pretty. I don't know. I could use it as a pop of color. The next is a Ultra blush in the shade Mellow. And I'm going to use that today with a blush brush. Look, I'm excited. It's really cute. However, the pigmentation is, girl, a little goes a long way. The next item is I don't know guys, I'm probably gonna mess it up, Jus de More black liquid liner, and I also got a Luxe brush 245 small shaper brush. I don't know, I'll leave it in the description box. So we're gonna test both of those out. The Rimmel London Eye palette, guys, this is so amazing. I got this at my local Walmart for only $8. And the color pigmentation and payoff, as you'll see, is super amazing. It blends so easily, so buttery, so creamy. It's actually performing like some high-end palettes, only at a reasonably price of $8. Like, this is limited edition, so if you don't have it, please go out to your local Walmart, drugstore, beauty supply, and pick this up. You're going to love it. So I'm just kind of picking up from lightest to darkest the shades that I want to use. I started off with a rusty brown. Now I'm taking a deeper brown and putting that right underneath. Build up the color intensity to your liking. Next, I'm going to pick up a lighter shade on a flat shader brush, the shimmer shades actually, and I'm just going to pat those in. And guys, when I tell you I was shook off of the payoff, and I'm not even wetting my brush, like this is straight out of the pan. Like, come through with Rimmel London, come through, yes. I'm just going back over that after I got the color that I want. I'm taking my first transition shade to blend those in. Now this is a clean brush because I did notice it was clinging to the sides of my eye just a little bit. So I'm going to take a clean, fluffy brush and kind of blend those colors in without adding any additional product. Alright, so I'm picking up a brow bone color using that Luxe small shader brush, and it's a really nice, really soft brush. Not much I can say about it. So I'm gonna do some highlighting with Wet n Wild and Maybelline Master Chrome. Perfect combination for my skin complexion. If you're my shade or darker, these two will look great on you. The Maybelline Multi-Go alone looks good on any skin complexion. So I'm going to pick up that eyeliner that I received in my I Spy bag. And I normally don't do a wing liner, but since I got it, I just want to try it out. And guys, it's so easy to handle. The tip is really soft, but not too soft where it moves a lot. And the color, oh my god, it's so black and so easy to use. So if you're a beginner with wing liner like myself, I was so proud of myself. Like normally I will mess up so bad and start all over, but I'm going in with some mascara, Maybelline Great Lash in the shade Black is Black. You can't go wrong with some Maybelline. So country. But yeah, I'm just coating my top and bottom lashes with some mascara. And next I'm going to go in with my Kiss Blown Out Lashes in the shade Pixie. I picked these up from Walmart as well, and they are amazing. Only $5.99, I think, maybe $6. Super great. So next I'm going to go in with the lips, and I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Ink in the shade Denver, which says number 55. Thank you guys so much for watching. This was a kind of short video just to show you that summer rose gold makeup on a budget.